This is a Seiko 7015-6010, the so-called Time Sonar. These are a flyback chronograph, which means you can set them, reset them while they're running, which is always fun. This is original, and I just serviced this. I just serviced this watch. So you can see through the early style first gen display case back, you can see the movement ticking along there. These are the only watches that Seiko ever produced with this sort of case back. The original serial number and everything was originally printed on the outside of the case back, and they wear away. So we know this is original, but that means that we also don't know what the serial number was. It's original green, but I'm so obscenely proud. Do you see that kanji there, that red silver? Well, I painted that by hand. The original was faded to heck. It was as faded as that. And I went and smallest possible brush, and I painted it back orange. I'm super incredibly proud of that. It's a beautiful watch. Resets to 0, and I underloomed it. They're dim. You can see them if your eyes adjust in darkness, but of course it's invisible from the front because these are non-windowed hands. Put that back so I can show off my handiwork again. Everything works exactly as it should. Resets to 0. The date sets as it should. Today is the 25th, isn't it? 26th? 26th. There we go. And it is, in fact, Sunday the 26th. There you go. So if you're looking for a Time Sonar, the case is either in original polish or it's extremely well done touch-up. But whoever, if this was touched up, they knew what they were doing. There you go. One Time Sonar.